barren Nevada desert, hidden behind barbed wire fences and layers of secrecy, lies one of the most enigmatic places on Earth. Area 51, officially known as Groom Lake or Homey Airport, this highly classified U.S. military installation has been the subject of speculation, fear, and fascination for decades. But what exactly is happening behind these restricted walls? Area 51 was established during the height of the Cold War in 1955 as a remote testing ground for the U-2 spy plane. Its location was chosen for its isolation, ensuring minimal civilian interference and maximum secrecy. The vast salt flat of Groom Lake provided the perfect runway, while the surrounding mountains shielded it from prying eyes. As time progressed, the base became synonymous with testing next-generation military technology, including advanced stealth aircraft like the F-117 Nighthawk. But while its military use is undeniable, the veil of secrecy gave rise to rumors of activities far beyond conventional defense. The connection between Area 51 and UFOs began in the late 1940s, with incidents like the Roswell crash of 1947. While officially explained as a weather balloon, many believed it was an alien spacecraft, and the story quickly became a global phenomenon. Then came the 1980s, when a man named Bob Lazar made explosive claims about the base. Lazar alleged that he worked at a secret facility near Area 51 called S4, where he helped reverse engineer alien technology recovered from UFOs. He described spacecraft with gravity-defying capabilities powered by an element he called Element 115. While skeptics dismissed his story, it reignited global fascination with Area 51 and alien conspiracies. In 2019, a Facebook event titled Storm Area 51, They Can't Stop Us All went viral, attracting millions of people worldwide. The joke quickly became a sensation, with memes, videos, and even festivals springing up around it. While the event was meant to be lighthearted, it highlighted just how deeply Area 51 had embedded itself into global pop culture. The event also served as a reminder of the base's intense security. Signs warning of lethal force and heavily armed guards ensured no one got too close. Yet, the mystery of what lies beyond those gates continues to fuel imaginations. What's really happening at Area 51? Officially, Area 51 is a hub for testing experimental aircraft and military technology. Declassified documents reveal projects like the U-2 spy plane, which could fly at altitudes of 70,000 feet far above enemy radar. Later, the A-12 Oxcart and the stealthy SR-71 Blackbird continued the legacy of innovation. But secrecy is key to its operations. Employees are flown in daily from Las Vegas on unmarked planes, and workers are sworn to absolute silence. Even the airspace above Area 51 is restricted, making it one of the most secure places in the world. While the official explanation points to defense testing, theories about Area 51 range from plausible to fantastical. Some believe the base houses alien spacecraft recovered from Roswell and other crash sites. Others speculate about secretive technologies like time travel, weather control, or interdimensional portals. Skeptics argue that the alien rumors serve as a convenient distraction from the base's real purpose, developing cutting-edge weapons and surveillance systems. But could both be true? Could the US government be hiding both technological advancements and something far more extraordinary? Area 51 remains an enduring symbol of mystery and secrecy. Whether it's advanced aircraft, alien technology, or something we can't even imagine, its allure continues to captivate people worldwide. But the truth, that's something only a select few will ever know. If you're as fascinated by unsolved mysteries as we are, hit that subscribe button and join us on Mysteries Uncovered. Together, we'll keep exploring the secrets of our world and beyond.